Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Do you know Christmas is in 48 days? Have you made your Christmas wreath yet? If not, I have a suggestion for you. Maybe you can follow this tutorial and make one for this year Christmas with your family. I've included the Japanese Quince, Ranunculus and Willow Branches in this wreath. We have already uploaded our tutorials on the Quince and Ranunculus. Check the link above for more details. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our weekly tutorials. First of all, I will show you how to make the willow branches. Estimate the height of the leaf template and cut the paper into strips. Use the paper clips to hold the template and the crepe paper together, and cut the half leaves out according to the template. We need to make them into leaves. Half the 26 gauge wires, then we start attaching the leaves together with UHU Glue. Add the glue to the middle and place the 20 gauge wire on top and roll the wire so the glue is on both sides. Press the paper down so the wire is covered. This is going to be the main stamp. Do the same to the 8 other leaves with the 26 gauge wire. Trim the shape of the leaves. When you're finished, we're going to wrap the brown floral tape onto the leaf stamps. We will need to wrap half of the stamp. Now we need to construct a branch. Wrap the first part of the main stem with some brown flower tape and add more leaves to it gradually. When you do so, make sure you have left a good amount of space in between the leaves. And we are done. What you need for the wreath are 5 branches of willow leaves, 2 branches of quince, 4 ranunculus, 2 pieces of wrapped 26 gauge wire, and a 12 inches metal ring. Bend the ranunculus flowers so they are facing you. I have wrapped the 26 gauge wire with flower tape for holding the flower in place. Curl the willow branches so it goes well with the shape of the ring. Plan your wreath out first so you have an idea where things goes. When you have decided, you can start constructing. Trim the 26 gauge wire into 6 cm long and wrap the wire to hold the branches together. Use a pair of pliers to help when your fingers are not strong enough. I would suggest to add small amount of joining points. You can always redo or add more holding points if necessary. Add the leaves at the bottom as the background. Then we add the quince branches.
At last, the ranunculus flowers. Similar with the willow branches, you will need to shape these stems so they go along with the ring. Give it a final adjustment, then we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. We have noticed about 80% of our audience are not subscribed. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our templates are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.